In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can install Ethernet drivers on Windows 11. So to do this, you will need an internet connection. So perhaps you can use Wi-Fi while you set up the Ethernet. So to do this, you want to go ahead and look for your motherboard. So go to your search bar and type system information right here. System information, and we're looking for the motherboard. So base. So basically, we're looking for the system summary, OS version. Okay, so we got the thin 15, so we can copy this. Thin 15 B12. Okay, so take that information, go to Google, thin 15 B12 motherboard, and you can search for it. And basically, the motherboard for this will be motherboard. You can type. So basically, or if that's not working, you can go what Ethernet drivers do, and then put in your laptop. Do MSI laptops use? Okay. So basically, it's going to be Realtek. Okay. So basically, you can go to MSI drivers download. Okay. Then search for that, and then download MSI Global. So we're looking for the Realtek LAN drivers, and basically select the product. We got laptop, and we got select categories, laptops, product type. Okay, but we're looking for the drivers, MSI drivers. Sorry, it's taking a bit long. How do I download MSI drivers? Okay. So we know we need Realtek Ethernet driver, Windows 11. And then you can come here and download it from the Realtek website. It's going to be the PCIe. And basically, once that loads up, you can just scroll down here and download the driver. Okay, by clicking here. So we want Windows 11, and you just download it from here by tapping the download button. Okay, so if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and subscribe to this channel.